Ever wanted to trade stocks, Forex, or gold without opening a traditional brokerage account? BingX TradFi makes it possible by bringing traditional markets on-chain through USDT-margined perpetual futures. Track the price movements of major Forex pairs, commodities like gold and oil, top stocks such as Tesla and Microsoft, and benchmark indices like the S&P 500, all without owning the underlying assets. Built for a seamless, crypto-native experience, BingX removes the usual headaches of fiat funding, custody, and account complexity, while still offering flexible leverage, long and short positions, deep liquidity, and competitive fees in one unified platform. Whether you're a crypto trader exploring macro strategies, a Forex trader who prefers USDT margins, or an equity trader looking to ride market volatility, BingX TradFi makes stepping into traditional markets feel simple, familiar, and refreshingly friction-free. What markets can you trade on BingX TradFi? BingX TradFi gives you access to multiple global traditional financial instruments in one place, allowing you to trade the price movements of major Forex pairs, commodities, leading stocks, and indices using USDT as the margin. The first one, Forex. You can trade the world's most liquid financial market with USDT-margined Forex perpetual futures covering major pairs such as EUR versus USD, USD versus JPY, GBP versus USD, AUD versus USD, and EUR versus JPY. BingX supports up to 500x leverage on selected Forex pairs. Second, commodities. BingX commodity perpetual futures let you trade gold, silver, Brent oil, WTI crude oil, and natural gas using USDT with leverage of up to 500x on selected contracts. Third, stocks. Stock perpetual futures on BingX allows you to speculate on the price movements of major global equities such as Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla without owning the underlying shares. Fourth, indices. Index perpetual futures give you broad exposure to entire equity markets through a single position. On BingX, you can trade benchmark indices such as the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Q100 with leverage of up to 500x. How to start trading TradFi with crypto on BingX Web, a step-by-step guide. With deep order book liquidity and USDT margin perpetual futures, you can start trading global Forex, commodity, stock, and index markets in just a few steps, directly from your BingX account, without traditional brokers or bank accounts. Step 1. Set up your BingX account. You don't need a separate TradFi account to trade on BingX. All TradFi perpetual futures are integrated directly into your existing BingX account, making onboarding fast and straightforward. To get started, create or log into your BingX account on the web or mobile app. Complete identity verification, KYC, to unlock futures trading access. Then, deposit USDT into your funding account and transfer it into your Perpetuals account to use as trading margin. All TradFi perpetual futures on BingX are USDT margined, which means you use a single stablecoin balance to trade Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices, simplifying risk management and P&L, aka profit and loss tracking across markets. Step 2. Choose a market. Navigate to perpetual futures on BingX and select the TradFi category you want to trade, such as Forex, commodities, stocks, or indices. Then choose a specific trading pair such as EUR versus USD, gold, Tesla, or the S&P 500 based on the market or asset you want exposure to. Step 3. Set leverage. Select and click OK on the customer agreement and disclaimer pop-up window. Select your preferred leverage level of up to 500x before placing the trade. Lower leverage reduces liquidation risk and is better suited for beginners or volatile markets, while higher leverage increases capital efficiency but also amplifies both profits and losses. Always align leverage with your risk tolerance and trading time frame. Step 4. Select order type. Choose how you want your trade to be executed. There's market order. Executes immediately at the best available market price. Suitable when speed and execution certainty matter. Then there's limit order. Executes only at a specific price you set. Ideal for entering at predefined support or resistance levels. Just note that some advanced features like copy trading, grid bots, and API trading are not supported for TradFi perpetuals at this time. Step 5. Open a position. Decide your market direction and place the trade. There's open long if you expect the price to increase, open short if you expect the price to decrease. Once the order is filled, your position will appear in the open positions panel where you can monitor P&L, margin usage, liquidation price, and adjust risk settings in real time. How to start trading TradFi with crypto on the BingX app, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Set up your BingX account. You don't need a separate TradFi account. TradFi perpetual futures are built directly into the BingX app. First, download and open the BingX app. Update to the latest version. Second, log in or create a BingX account. Then, complete identity verification, KYC if required in your region. 4. Deposit USDT into your funding account and transfer it to your Perpetuals account. All TradFi Perpetuals on BingX use USDT as margin, making cross-market trading and P&L tracking simple and consistent. Step 2. Choose a TradFi market. On the app homepage at the bottom of the screen, tap Futures and then Perpetual Futures. Second, select a TradFi category, Forex, Commodities, Stocks, or Indices. Then choose a trading pair such as EUR versus USD, Gold, Tesla, or SP500. Step 3. Set leverage. Accept the customer agreement and risk disclaimer if prompted. Then set your desired leverage up to 500x on selected Forex, commodity, and index contracts, up to 25x on stock perpetuals. Third, confirm your leverage setting before placing the order. Step 4. Select order type. Choose how your trade will be executed. There's market order, executes immediately at the best available price, or limit order, executes only at the price you set. Step 5, open and manage your position. You can tap open long if you expect the price to rise, tap open short if you expect the price to fall. Once filled, your position appears in open positions where you can track P&L, margin usage, and liquidation price. Add or reduce margin, set stop loss, and take profit in real time. Considerations before trading TradFi on BingX. Before trading TradFi Perpetual Futures on BingX, covering Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices, traders should carefully consider key differences from crypto markets. These instruments follow underlying market hours, restricting new orders, position openings, or closures during off hours, while funding fees continue to apply. Funding rates settle every 4 to 8 hours, and trading fees are separate, often as low as 0 to 0.003% in eligible regions. To manage risks effectively, utilize stop loss, take profit, and manual margin adjustments, particularly for overnight or swing positions, as market gaps on reopen and accumulated fees may trigger sudden liquidations. Always maintain adequate margin buffers and reassess positions before market closes. BingX TradFi reimagines how traders access global markets. By bringing Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices into a single crypto-native platform, it unlocks perpetual futures trading without the boundaries of traditional finance. It removes many barriers to traditional finance while keeping the power and speed traders expect from derivatives markets. Leverage amplifies risk. Remember to start small, use stop losses, and understand funding fees, and monitor positions, especially around market open and close. Don't forget to like this video, comment when you're going to try BingX TradFi, and subscribe to BingX. I'll see you next time.